So today I've got a GoPro Hero 4 Sessions, I believe this model number is. As you can see, it's missing its front protective glass lens. So this one I have already cleared off all the lens out of, all the glass off it, and gave it a test out. There is some scratching on the actual camera itself, but it will function fine. It's just a replacement lens for it, which actually also includes the metal surround. Does come with the screwdrivers for it, which the screwdrivers that do come with it are different to the factory screwdrivers or screws. The replacement ones come with Phillips head screws. There we go. With that removed, I'll give this a bit of a clean. And also there's a white O-ring that's there. There is a replacement clear one that comes with the kit. I've left it with the original just because it seems to be in good condition and undamaged. So there's very little point in swapping that. So I'm a little bit disappointed with the quality of the replacement protective glass. There is a film on the outside, but looking on the other side, there does appear to be a light scratch on it, which may or may not affect filming quality. Now, right now I do use a little bit of isopropyl to try and remove that, and instead I make it worse. What I've done is the adhesive that's attached the glass to the metal frame is now slightly liquefied and become tacky. So I will be fast forwarding this where I clean it all off and clean it up, but I'll continue with the install. So with the O-ring in place, you do need to make sure the orientation of the metal frame is correct to go up the couple of outlets that are on the front of the camera. And then from there, you're pretty much right to screw in either your original screws if you've still got them, or your replacement screws, depending on what your preference is. But yeah, overall it's a very straightforward thing to swap over. What I would recommend doing prior to ordering the replacement lens is to remove all the glass and test out the actual camera to make sure it's still okay. And then if it's all good, replace. But anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.